Oh, baby, firing it up because I love sitting on the dock of the bay, because I got Elsa, I got Kiwi, I got my daughters, and I have to say, all hail the queen, the boss, the goddess with the swagger and the grace, who has healed my broken heart, healed my broken soul, and we sitting down the dock of the bay, at the Oxycona Park, having some fun, because that's what we're all about.
I left my heart in Georgia.
Call my free from the human trap. Cinco, baby. Thank you.
Looks like nothing's gonna come my way.
Oh, healed again because all the stress, all the bullshit, all the anxiety, all the nonsense I've had to deal with. So taking from me. Lollywood, baby. That's what we're all about. No matter what. Thank you. Appreciate you. Because this is where our beautiful soundtrack's coming from. Pakistan, the treasure, the grace, the beauty, the calm, and the love, kiss those royal feet of the queen of kings. Guaranteed, bottom line. Instant out loud. I mean it someday in heaven. I'm like, this is a good one. I love you, though. She doesn't care, man. You see her like that. I ain't gonna lie to you on that one, baby. Thank you, Pakistan. Appreciate you all. This is how I rest my bones. Get out there and dance, lance, and prance. Because the world and the bullshit won't leave you alone. Never. Every shot. I can't stop. Hallelujah. Thank you. Thank you, liberty. People of find your courage, knocks it out no matter the circumstance, because you, hope you do, is how I relax. And in Pakistan, I find comfort, I find home, and Sons of Liberty, true North Oriental family, with my daughters by my side. All hail the queen boss. Love you all. Still got 3 more parts.